I can't believe I'm doing this. Why does this feel so nerve-wracking? Hi, my name is Kate Donovan, and I am the CEO of Chasing Wonderment. Unless you think that sounds all fancy and formal, basically I'm the Chief Encouragement Officer because I don't do fancy titles other than that. I am passionate about helping women who feel stuck get unstuck and start living their lives with intention and purpose. And I do that by teaching goal setting, mindset work, and sharing journaling prompts to help women get unstuck. So today, I want to share 5 things that you absolutely have to have in order to live an intentional life. Are you ready? I am. I'm so excited. Okay, so number 1, you need a vision. I keep getting distracted and looking off to the side. I'm trying to look at the little button right there. You need a vision. You need a vision for your future. Having a vision for your future isn't about so much the specifics as much as it is about figuring out what kind of life you want to live. Because here's the thing. You can set specific goals, and that's great, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if you are not super clear on the kind of life you want to live, like the real big picture-y stuff, like what kind of life you want, what do you want to experience, what vibes do you want, what's important to you. If you're not crystal clear on that stuff, then you're going to get really lost and bogged down in the weeds if you just start setting goals, because you may set goals that actually don't line up with your vision. They may be something that you want to do, but you have to set the tone before you can get really, really specific. Okay, so when it comes to vision casting, there are a lot of steps, but if you just kind of want to get started, one of the easiest things you can do is just ask yourself these 3 simple questions. 1, what do I want to experience? Just think about it, not in specific things, but the kind of lifestyle you want to experience. Do you want it to be calm? Do you want it to be exciting? Do you love the hustle and bustle? Do you want to be in the city all the time? What does that look like for you? The next question you can ask is, what kind of vibes do you want? What kind of vibes do you want in your life? I mean, it sounds a little weird, but that can help clarify that really big picture vision. And then the last one is, what do you want your life to feel like? A lot of the time, and I've been guilty of this, we take on either the environment or the desires of the people around us. We compare our lives with someone else. You know, you might see that person on Instagram that their lifestyle just looks amazing and oh, you want that. But when it really comes down to it, do you actually want that, or do you just think you want that? So that is what this vision casting piece is all about. Get your vision straight and clear and crystal clear before you do anything else when it comes to trying to live a more purposeful life. Okay, step number 2, you need goals. I mean, I have to go here because I'm obsessed with goal setting. Goal setting is like the secret sauce that takes your big picture vision, I talk with my hands, and puts it into your everyday life. Goal setting is the thing that helps you create actionable daily steps. So we set a big goal or a semi-big goal. It doesn't have to be big. And then you turn that into daily actionable steps that as you carry them out every single day, it begins to put the pieces of your intentional life together. Goal setting is incredibly important. It is absolutely amazing. It is the most fun thing ever. I love goal setting. I love the process of setting goals. It is so important to know where you're going, to have a big picture vision, and then to start to kind of, it almost is like a funnel. It's like you start big and then you just slowly wheedle it down until you have something that you can do every single day. That's what goal setting is. Goal setting is crucial to living an intentional life, because if you don't have a plan to get there, you can do the big picture vision, board, all that jazzy stuff all you want. But if you're not like taking action every day, then nothing's going to happen and you're just going to stay stuck. Okay, the next thing that you need in order to live an intentional life is a notebook. Hang on, because you probably just were like, huh? Or maybe you were like, I am not a writer. I'm not going to turn into one of those journaly people. Okay, I'm a journaly person. And here's why you need a journal or a notebook. Did you know that only 8% of people actually accomplish their goals? That's it, 8%. That is the current statistic on goal setting. Did you know that you can massively change that percentage with one simple action? If you write down your goals, your chances of accomplishing them go from 8% to 42%. This is why I think journaling is so important. Journaling is a crucial piece of the puzzle to actually chasing down those goals. It has been statistically proven that writing your goals down can massively improve your ability to actually accomplish them. And journaling can do so much more than that. One of the things that I am passionate about is sharing journaling prompts, because they not only help you with your goal setting, but they also help you with your mindset, with figuring out kind of where you are, with resetting when you're having a bad day. It is incredibly powerful. It is such a helpful tool. So journaling. Okay, number four. I just talked about mindset with journaling. So number 4 is mindset. Your mindset is absolutely crucial to the success of you chasing down your goals. Like, hands down. That is the thing that is going to get you over the finish line. And it's also the thing that is going to stop you from crossing the finish line. I know this. I have learned this the hard way. I still struggle with it because, like, mindset work is never done. And that can be discouraging, but that can also be really encouraging. So your mindset is crucial. It is what keeps you going when the going gets tough. That is why it's so important to work on your mindset. So mindset is a bunch of different things, but learning how your brain works, like actually how your brain is wired, and then having some tools in your back pocket, like journaling, to help you when you're struggling can completely change your life. I mean, everything else aside, if you are struggling, you need to learn about your mindset. Like, you need to learn about your mindset. And I will include a link below in case you want to take my Mindset 101 workshop, which I tell you everything that I've learned about mindset and give you some truth statements that can help you if you are really, really struggling. So I'll include that link below. Okay, number 5. The last piece of the intentional living puzzle is community. Community. Okay, remember that 42% number, that if you write your goals down, you can increase your chances of accomplishing them to 42%? So what if I told you that you could increase the likelihood of accomplishing them to 95%? Yes, 95%. And here's how. Studies have shown statistically that if you write your goals down, that's 42%. If you check in with that consistently, that's 65%. And you share them with other people, you can actually increase the likelihood of accomplishing them to 95%. This is why having a community that has got your back is so incredibly important. I'm just blown away by these statistics, and I can promise you that it's true. They absolutely work because I have seen it work. I have seen myself, I've seen it in the lives of other people, I've seen it in my clients inside my community. They have gone on to chase after really big dreams, and they're still chasing after really big dreams. But this process of vision casting and goal setting and journaling down when you're having a bad day, or journaling your vision, your goals, working on your mindset and sharing that with the community. Also, your community helps you with your mindset, because when you're having a really bad day, you can say, hey guys, I'm having a really bad day. And I guarantee you, your best friends are going to be like, oh girl, we've got you. That is what community is about. This is how to live intentionally, guys. And it is the best thing in the world, and it can completely change your life. If you would like to learn how to live intentionally, just start to set one of these things in place. And if you would like to do it with me as your guide, I have an online community where I walk you through all of these things. So you will be part of a community of like-minded women, and inside the community we goal set once a quarter. So we do it as a community. I lead you through vision casting. We have regular check-ins to help keep you at that 65% and then get you to the 95%. Girl, you are not stuck here. You can live intentionally, and I would love to help you do that. Thanks for watching. This was a super awkward video, and I don't know what to do with my hands, so they just keep flying around, and I'm sorry, they look like wings, but whatever. I am so excited to be on here, and I hope to be sharing more videos about intentional living and all the pieces to doing it, so stay tuned. If you would like to get more information about it, make sure you subscribe, and then come over and follow me at Chasing Wonderment on Instagram, because that is the place to keep in touch with me. I would love to hear from you, so leave a comment below. Thanks for being here, and I hope you keep chasing your wonderment, friend.